What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet again another video. So for today I have a video that's very different to what I've been doing for the past 2 to 3 years, but again, it's a format that I would love to try out for this channel, so hopefully you guys can bear with me and support the new content that I'm trying to put out. Don't worry, I still have sneaker and clothes unboxings coming soon. Packages just have not arrived, but for today I actually have to do some cleaning in my home studio, a place that I have never fully shown on camera, at least here on YouTube. Never happened before, but on my Instagram, if you guys follow me on that platform and TikTok as well, you would have seen by now the way my studio is set up. You know, I've never like done a full 360 of it, but I've put many videos out of pieces or parts of my studio. So long story short, go watch those reels on Instagram or TikTok if you want to see, you know, just kind of like my blogs that I've been posting on short form on those platforms. I have a couple reels to film, and to do that I need to have a clean setup. So let's get that now. And just to show you guys that you will not be missing any portion of the studio, sneak peek, I'm going to place you guys right here in the entrance. Trying to fix a little bit the setup I used for my Instagram reels. Again, if you guys follow me on that platform, you would know this is kind of what you only see about this much. You don't see much of that area, so trying to make it nicer. If you guys go to Target, try to find this brand right here in the cleaning section. This here smells really good and it's organic and can be used in most surfaces. So today is my first time cleaning with it here in the studio. I actually cleaned my kitchen last night with this and it was good. once a month, usually I remove every single sneaker from the shelf and dust them off, but taking a close look at each shelf, they're not dusty, so I'm just gonna leave them like that. And the other day I went to the Container Store and added a couple more here because the collection is growing and I don't have more space over there, so this is gonna be the new wall and it's gonna get as high as this here. I also would like to mention that the lights stay assembled in my studio so that I just need to turn on the camera and record. Otherwise, it would take a lot of work to set up everything and put it away. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am pretty much done cleaning this studio. Only thing left to do is vacuum, but I really don't want to record myself for 20 minutes vacuuming the whole place because I am very picky with that. So we're gonna cut it here. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.